In 5, 4, 3.
Hi, and welcome to my show called The Sounds of Nature. We're going to start by introducing ourselves, starting from the right.
I'm Charlene.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Leo.
Hi, I'm Daniela.
Kevin.
I'm Ronica.
And I'm Jasmine.
Okay, so I'm going to start off by asking them 2 questions. My first question, starting with Charlene, is what do you like to do when you go outdoors?
I like to be one with nature.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
What do you like to do, Sarah?
Usually when I go outside, I take a blanket and have a picnic and
That's always fun.
bathe.
Yeah.
I like to listen to the sounds.
Oh, well, speaking of sounds, we have Daniela here who can make
Hello.
amazing bird noises, and so we also have Kevin here who can also do animal noises, and also Charlene who can make dolphin noises. So if you guys would like, feel free to show your skills off.
So my bird is a flinch.
Finch.
A finch.
Yeah.
Sorry, and it's very hard to hear, but I'll try my best to make it the loudest.
I can't really hear it. Can you do it again? Oh,
Very nice.
And,
Wow.
Thank you. And I appreciate that.
That's
And
beautiful.
on my-
That's what I like to listen
On my free
to.
time, I like to, walk around the park, make my bird noises, communicate with some birds,
Can you explain to us how do you make that sound, or what inspired you to make that sound?
Interesting
That's
question.
a very nice question.
Yeah.
So, my dad can make really nice bird noises, and
Wow.
one day I just felt inspired to,
So you just tried.
I'm like, Dad, I'm gonna learn,
Is it
and I
genetic,
did.
you think? It's genetic?
Yeah.
It might-
It
might be-
tongue or
It might be predisposition genes.
predisposition, yeah.
Very
Quite
interesting.
Wow, that's really cool.
Now to Kevin, what noises can you make and what do you like to do outdoors?
I can make dog noises. So what a dog sounds like.
That's a dog.
That's a dog.
Or a wolf. I think you have the wrong animal.
Yeah, I think you have the wrong animal.
Is that a
Oh,
dog
it's
or
a
is that Kevin?
I think that's a dog.
Oh,
dog
well,
goes-
he needs to go and learn his animals.
I think you could do
Yeah,
cricket noises.
I can do a dolphin
Okay.
or
yeah.
something like that.
Wow.
That's
good.
And
How'd you learn how to do that?
Actually, I'm in love with the ocean, so I felt
Do you go swimming?
dolphins.
So you make
I
one
do.
with
I
the
do.
dolphins.
Do you-
Dolphins
do
are
you
my
talk to
favorite
them?
animals, so just I had to learn how to communicate with them. So
Do
the
they speak
audience is
back?
asking me to do it again. So
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
Thank you.
Kevin, what
Can
do you
you
do on your free
Can
time?
you translate that from dolphin language?
I mean, I could, but I don't want to. I have trust with them, and I don't want to break that trust.
Okay.
I'm
Oh, that
sorry.
makes sense.
Wait, Kevin, what do you do on your free time?
I walk in the park, have a nice stroll.
Do you guys walk in the park together?
No, but I sometimes see him making the bird noises.
They're dog noises, actually.
And Veronica,
Oh,
what
sorry,
do
the
you like
dogs.
To, what do you like to do
At
outside?
the dog by the dog
When
park.
I'm outside, I like to, go walking. I like bike riding. I
Yeah,
like
me
picnics
too.
like Sarah.
Really?
Very
Just
good.
take some nice, some cheese, some crackers, some grapes.
That's very
I
Very
don't like
beautiful.
grapes.
Not wine. Wine is
And
just-
wine, but
No,
not
dog's
funny
favorite
wine.
food is
Yeah,
grape.
yeah.
Hopefully soon I'll
No,
be
I don't
able
like
to try
grapes.
wine.
And finally, Jasmine,
Um,
what do you like to do?
I like to spend time with my pet cricket.
That's a lie.
Wow.
It's not.
What's his name?
Her name is Rocky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's all the time we have this week for a show called The Sounds of Nature. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you guys next time.